what kind of labor framework you need to put in place, and things that you need to do to process yourself and your customers. And by the way, with legal framework, I'm going to update you guys on something. If we don't know, the new Data Protection Act, it was a bill before, but now it's now an act. There are now regulations, punishable regulations regarding how you treat customers' data. So whether that data is collected by WhatsApp or emails or whatever, you now have a legal responsibility to ensure that that data is properly protected. And what's customer data? You're collecting someone's phone number, email, and maybe even address so that you can mail to them, so that you can fulfill your order. You have a responsibility to make sure that that data is used in a responsible manner. You can't pass on that data to a third party without the prior consent of your customer. Customer sends you a picture for a review, or a voice note or something reviewing your product. You can't just take it and post. Before, people could do it, but guess what? Now it's actually a punishable offense. So if that customer says you did this without my permission, they have a legal right to enforce against you. So as fashion entrepreneurs, we need to be sure that we're not taking these things lightly.